Okay, go slow for me. You need to get a better line. You're gonna have the same problem. There you go. Wait.
If this is your first time watching one of our videos and you'd like to see more, hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell if you want to be notified.